Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you all are doing well and safe at home. So yeah, as you already know that I'm going to make a Diya decoration video. So without any further ado, let's begin with our video. As you can see, these diyas are very normal diyas, so you will get this diya in any local market from near to your house. I'm trying to make as simple as simple designs for these diyas, and I'm not going to make very hard and difficult designs for you. So yeah, first you have to do that all that diyas you should put in the water first, then soak it for just like 10 to 15 minutes, then take out all diyas and let it dry by itself. Then moving with our next step, that we should do a base coat, white base coat. Why white coat? Because as you know that our drawing book is also white, because any color or any sketch that you are going to draw on your white board or white paper, it will be going to pop up your drawing or anything you draw on that, or any color that you are going to apply on that white color will going to show the actual color. This is the reason why you have to apply a white base coat. Now as you can see, I already apply all the white base coat and every diyas are dried up. So that pair diyas having the same design or the same decoration on both diyas. So I am going to show you only one diya decoration. So I am going to apply a green color on different diyas on which I want that color. So I'm not going to show you simple a one diya decoration first, then second decoration, not like that, because I think this is the best technique. With this technique you will save your time, your energy and your colors too. In this video I'm only going to use acrylic colors, and each and every colors and what things that I'm going to use in this video are already mentioned in the description box, so do check out that. Now we are done with our base coats, and we have to decorate our diyas. So I am going to do a simple and basic techniques. You can do whatever you want to do. There are too many hats and each and everyone have different ideas. So this is up to you what you have to do or what you want to do. I am doing the simple drawings because I hope some childrens or some kids will watch this video and recreate this. So yeah. this is it for today, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and comment me that which Diya you like the most. So yeah, we will meet in our next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.